Alright, new weekend has begun. September 9th, 2023. Tyler Hayes here, 1216, coming to you from Ladysmith. One of the Canadian Nationals Superior Submarine with a video lined up for you. Northbound on the way. Let's check them out as we lean back and get them. Here we go. ES44 to lead it. 2984. Here's the brand new 325. How about that? The new 3325, second batch of C6M rebuilds is here. Here it is on today's M345 81. Up Sennington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Wonderful! Hang on to my hat! .716. What a pass and what a catch of today's M345-81 with the 2984 to lead it and the brand new and next batch of C6M rebuilds of the first of the next 25 from the second release, and that was the new 3325. How about that? Because that was set out from the U759 at point yesterday, and now there it was on today's 345. Impressive. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, and it's definitely a highlight of the day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time, and I hope to see you along the main line. From Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.